Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and discovering that someone else has already finished your emails, written your reports, edited your videos, designed your thumbnails, and even planned your entire day. Sounds impossible. Just a few years ago, it would have been. Today, it's called artificial intelligence. We're living through one of the biggest technological revolutions in human history. Just like the internet changed the world in the 1990s and smartphones transformed our lives in the 2000s, AI is changing everything in 2026. The biggest question isn't whether AI will change your life. The real question is, will you use AI to get ahead, or will you watch everyone else move ahead without you? In today's video, I'm revealing 5 incredible AI tools that are helping millions of people save time, make more money, and become dramatically more productive. Some of these tools can perform tasks in minutes that used to take entire teams several days. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools deserve your attention and how they could completely change the way you work. Let's begin. Why AI is changing everything. Think about how much time you spend every week doing repetitive work. Writing emails, searching for information, editing videos, creating presentations, taking notes during meetings, researching ideas. Most people spend dozens of hours every month doing work that AI can now complete in just a few minutes. That's why businesses across the world are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. They're not doing it because AI is a trend. They're doing it because AI saves time, increases productivity, and reduces costs. The people who understand these tools today are building businesses faster, creating content more consistently, and learning new skills much more quickly than ever before. The good news, you don't need to be a programmer, you don't need expensive equipment, and you definitely don't need years of technical experience. You simply need to know which tools are worth using. Let's start with perhaps the most famous AI tool in the world. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. If you've heard people talking about AI recently, you've almost certainly heard the name ChatGPT. But here's something surprising. Most people use less than 10% of what it can actually do. Many users ask it simple questions, almost like using a search engine. That's like buying a supercomputer and only using it as a calculator. ChatGPT is much more powerful than that. Imagine having an assistant who never sleeps. One that can brainstorm ideas, explain difficult concepts, summarize long documents, write marketing copy, create business plans, solve coding problems, and even help you prepare for interviews. That's exactly what ChatGPT offers. Suppose you're starting an online business. Instead of spending hours thinking of a business name, writing product descriptions, creating advertisements, and planning social media posts, you can ask ChatGPT to help with every single step. Need a YouTube script? It can write one. Need a week's worth of Instagram captions? Done. Need ideas for a new business? No problem. Students use ChatGPT to simplify complex topics. Teachers use it to prepare lesson plans. Lawyers use it to organize legal documents. Doctors use it to summarize research. Programmers use it to write and debug code. Writers use it to overcome creative blocks. The possibilities are almost endless. But here's something important. The people getting the best results don't ask simple questions. They ask detailed prompts. Instead of saying, write an email, they say, write a professional email to a client explaining why our project deadline has changed while maintaining a positive and confident tone. The more information you provide, the better the results become. Learning how to communicate with AI is quickly becoming one of the most valuable skills anyone can have. Think of ChatGPT less as a chatbot and more as an intelligent partner that helps you think faster and work smarter. But what if you want your words spoken in a realistic human voice? That's where our second AI tool comes in. Tool number 2, ElevenLabs. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine listening to a narrator who sounds so natural that you forget you're listening to artificial intelligence. Just a few years ago, computer-generated voices sounded robotic and lifeless. Today, they're almost impossible to distinguish from real human voices. That's the technology behind ElevenLabs. It has become one of the most popular AI voice generation platforms in the world. Creators use it to produce YouTube videos. Businesses use it for training materials. Authors use it to create audiobooks. Developers use it inside apps and games. Even filmmakers are beginning to experiment with AI-generated narration. Here's why it's so powerful. Instead of spending hours recording voiceovers or paying expensive voice actors, you simply paste your script into ElevenLabs, choose a voice, adjust the emotion and pacing, and within minutes, you have professional quality narration. For faceless YouTube creators, this has completely changed the game. You no longer need an expensive microphone. You don't need a professional recording studio. You don't even need confidence behind a microphone. Your focus shifts from recording to creating better content. Many successful YouTube channels today upload multiple videos every week using AI narration combined with strong storytelling. But here's something many beginners get wrong. They think AI voices alone create successful videos. That's not true. People subscribe because of valuable information and engaging storytelling. The AI voice is simply the messenger. The real secret is writing scripts that keep viewers curious from beginning to end. That's exactly why channels about AI, technology, history, and finance continue growing so quickly. The combination of excellent storytelling and realistic AI narration creates an experience that keeps audiences watching. And in YouTube's algorithm, watch time is everything, but narration is only one part of content creation. Next, we'll explore an AI that can create breathtaking artwork from nothing more than a sentence. And trust me, what it can create will completely change the way you think about digital art. To be continued in part 2,